To solve this problem, first you need to look at the variable. Since k squared is by itself, we know that we just need to isolate the k. First thing you want to do is subtract 4. And when you subtract 4 on each side, you get 2k squared equals negative 9. Then the next step is to isolate k. You would divide 2 on each side. Get k squared equals negative 9 half. Now, the next step is that you want k by itself, so you're going to take the square root of each side. And when you take the square root of each side, notice the negative is inside the square root. And we know when this negative in the square root is irrational and it doesn't work, so we know the answer is actually no solution. Okay? Now the question you may have is, why is it no solution? Well, it's not a solution because for anything to be a perfect square, we know the side length have to be the same, meaning that not only are the numbers the same, but the signs also have to be the same. That's why a perfect square root of 16 is negative 4, negative 4, or positive 4, positive 4. But when we have a value that's negative, such as negative 9, we know the two values that equal negative 9 is positive 3 and negative 3. But notice the signs are not the same. Therefore, that's not the perfect square root. So if we think about our arithmetic properties, we know positive times negative equals a negative. And a negative and a positive only equals a negative. Therefore, a square root of any negative value will be no solution.